What is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel, and in this video I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Freedom Mortgage account. Now basically by the end of this video, as I said, you will know how to log in into your Freedom Mortgage account. Now it's a website where you guys can apply for a mortgage, alright? So just keep that in mind. With that said, if you guys are new to our channel or like just watching this channel's video, this is your first video, then I want to say to you guys that don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel, alright? Now with that said, let's move on, shall we? So the first video is you want to go to Freedom Mortgage login. After you search for it, click on the first link over here. It will take you to its official website, which is going to look just like this. Just make sure it's freedommortgage.com, alright? So this is its official website, freedommortgage.com. Over here, just click on Resist Login. Now once you're over here where it says username, enter your username and then enter the password of your account as well. And just click on login and you should be able to log in into your account. Hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.